Hey there, Joel here, and welcome to my channel Math World. Today we're going to solve another problem from the chapter Quadratic Equation, and this is with regards to age problem. Okay, so the question is the present age of Mr. Ashok is equal to the square of his son's present age. 1 year ago, Mr. Ashok was 8 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Now, we are discussing ages of two people. One is a father and the other one is his son, right? So let us consider that son's age, since he is smaller, to be x. Okay, that's the father. It looks like a grandfather, I know, but just ignore that. Okay, so let s be son's present age. Okay, therefore the father's age would be square of son's present age. It's given over here, right? Mr. Ashok's age is equal to square of his present age. So we are saying that one second. Okay, since we are saying that son's age is x, father's age will be square of that. So that's the reason this s square is equal to s. Okay, now 1 year ago, now when I'm saying 1 year, this is son's present age, this is father's present age. So 1 year ago would be whatever their present age is minus 1, whatever son's present age is minus 1. So which would be s square minus 1 and s minus 1. So will it be equal? No, they are saying that 1 year ago over here Ashok was 8 times as old as his son. So 8 times meaning 8 is multiplied. So that's how this is written. So Ashok's age will be 8 times son's age. So this was son's age 1 year ago. So multiplied by 8. Okay. So this would become s square minus 1 is equal to 8 multiplied by s will become 8s and minus 8 ones are 8. So you get the like terms on one side, and what will happen is s square, this 8s which is on the right hand side of equal to, will bring it on the left hand side, so it will become minus 8s, and minus 8 also will bring it on the other side, so it will become plus 8. This plus 8 and minus 1, which is already over here, will cancel out and you will get plus 7. So now this is a clear-cut quadratic equation, and we can solve it by either factorization, quadratic formula, or completing square method if it works out over here, and we can find out son's present age and his father's age too. So please go ahead, continue solving this problem, and the answer that you get, you can write it in the comment section below. And if you have a problem with that, my email ID is in the description box. Go ahead and email it to me and I'll be happy to help. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 28 more than the shortest side, and the longest side is 14 more than the shortest side. Find the length of the sides of the rectangular field. Very simple. So let's consider it to be a football field. Okay, now the diagonal of a rectangular field is 28 more than the shortest side, and the longer side is 14 more than the shortest side. So if you read it carefully, you can understand that they are keeping the shortest side of the rectangular field as the base, and then they are describing about the diagonal and the longer side. I hope this part is clear. So they have taken that shorter side has some value, okay, and longer side will be some number plus the shorter side. Similarly, the diagonal is some number plus the shorter side. They have kept this shorter side as the base and some numbers added to it. Okay, so in this case we can make it into a triangle, and we'll say that let S be the length of the shorter side, okay, the one that is blinking. Therefore, the length of the diagonal will be S, that is the shorter side, plus 28, and the length of the longer side will be S plus 14. Now, if you recollect, we are dealing with a rectangle, and the angle formed over there would be a right angle, and there is a triangle constructed, and which means we're talking about a right angle triangle. And what comes to your mind probably would be Pythagoras theorem. So you have all the three sides. We have the shorter side, we have the hypotenuse, and we have the longer side. So using this, okay, we can use Pythagoras theorem, that is BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So square of the diagonal or square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so that is what is written, and this is pure mathematics, just calculation over there. I'll help you out to understand it. So S plus 28 the whole square, okay, this is nothing but A plus B the whole square. So I have expanded that using the identity A plus B the whole square. So it would become S square plus 56S plus 784, that is the square of 28. Okay, similarly here S plus 14 square is also there, which is nothing but expansion is here, S square plus 28S plus 196. Okay, and then finally this S square is written as it is. Now in the next step, what we have to do is get all the like terms together and calculate it. So whatever you can cancel, add, you just do it, and then what you will get is S square plus 56S minus 28S plus 784, and this 196 which is on the right hand side, you bring it on the other side, it will become negative 196, and S square plus S square will become 2S square. Okay, and then what, after cancelling and adding, what you will get is S square plus 28S plus 588 is equal to 2S square. So I'll get 2S square also on the other side, so it'll become negative, and then finally we'll get minus S square plus 28S plus 588. I don't want a negative sign, you know, at the start, so it is like negative energy kind of, so I don't want that to be there. Okay, and so what I will do is I'll change the signs of this entire equation throughout. So whatever is negative will become positive, whatever is positive will become negative, whatever is positive is negative. So that is what is done, and that's how you get S square minus 28S minus 588 equals to 0, a pure quadratic equation. Go ahead, use factorization or quadratic formula, solve this quadratic equation and find the value of S. Once you have got the value of S, either you'll get it, you know, S is equal to this or S is equal to that. If it is negative, then you have to ignore it because distance cannot be negative. Okay, and once you find the value of S, all I will do is substitute over here and s plus 28 will give me the length of the diagonal, s plus 14 will give me the length of the longer side, and the value of s itself is the shorter side. So I hope this problem is clear. If it is, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Till then, this is Joel saying bye to you. Take care. God bless.